Welcome! If you have ever wanted to keep your WhatsApp profile photo private when using the app on your computer, this video will walk you through the simple steps to do it. With the latest update, WhatsApp has made it easier than ever to control who sees your personal details, including your profile picture. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and connected to the correct account. Once it's open, take a look at the bottom left or top left corner of your screen. Depending on your version, you'll see a small gear icon. That's your settings button. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From here, you'll see several options related to your account and app preferences. Look for the section labeled privacy and click on it. This is where you can control what others can see about your activity, from your online status to your profile details. Now, find the option that says profile photo. This setting decides who can view your picture. When you click on it, you'll get a few choices options like everyone, my contacts, and nobody. To completely hide your profile photo, select nobody. Once you do, WhatsApp will instantly apply this change, meaning your photo will no longer be visible to anyone, whether they're on your contact list or not. And that's it. Your profile photo is now hidden on WhatsApp's desktop app. If you ever decide to change this setting later, you can return to the same menu and choose a different option, like showing your photo only to your saved contacts. It's a small adjustment that gives you much more privacy and peace of mind, especially if you're using WhatsApp for work or public communication. Keeping your information private is always a smart move. So now you know how to hide your profile photo on WhatsApp for PC using the new update. If you found this helpful, make sure to explore your other privacy settings too. You might be surprised at how much control WhatsApp gives you over your personal information.